guys, it's Michelle with Honeymoon Always. Today I'm coming to you from Sandals Grande St Lucian in St Lucia. We are going to show you all about this resort, the restaurants, the water activities, the beach, the romantic suites. So make sure you stay tuned to follow along with all of that. And if you have any questions, we're also going to leave some links in the description below. That's going to give you more information about this resort. And we will also have some links to some deals and sales if you want to stay here. Make sure you check those out. And by clicking on those links, it does support our channel. So thank you so much. Now let's go check it out. Sandals Grande St Lucian is located in Rodney Bay, which is known to have the calmest waters in St Lucia. This resort has gorgeous views, as well as 5 pools, plenty of restaurants, and access to the golf course. You also have full transfer access to the other 2 Sandals resorts on St Lucia. One thing that really sets this resort apart as compared to other resorts is the beach. The water is calm and beautiful, which means you can just hop right in and enjoy yourself, but it also makes it perfect for water sports. So Dan has spent some time water skiing and snorkeling, and he even went scuba diving. Another thing that's unique about this resort is we've noticed that a lot of groups come here. So if you're wanting to do a destination wedding, this seems to be the perfect spot. We've seen groups of 12 and 14 who are here to celebrate a wedding, and then they all get to enjoy the resort a few days. This resort features 12 restaurants on site and 15 others at nearby Sandals that you have access to. Our favorite spots were the Jerk Shack and Gordon's Pier restaurant, which is out on this beautiful pier in a very romantic setting. We got to view a few different room types at this resort, so we'll get to show you 3 of those today. And first, we'll start off with the suite that we stayed in. Ours was called the Caribbean Beachfront 1-Bedroom Butler Suite. And what I thought was spectacular about this suite, of course, is the stunning view of the landscape of St. Lucia. But we also really liked having an extra bedroom. So if one of us wakes up earlier than the other, one person can go out into the living room and relax there while the other continues to sleep. It also comes with a great soaking tub.
The butlers drew us a bath.
Next, we got to tour the Caribbean Beach View Club Level room, which is a little bit more budget friendly than the suite that we stayed in, but it comes with the same stunning view of the St. Lucia landscape. Last, we got to view the iconic Overwater Bungalow suites. These private and luxurious rooms feature 24-hour butler service, a fully stocked bar, glass floor paneling so you can really feel that you're out on the ocean, an outdoor tranquility soaking tub for 2, overwater hammocks, and more. Couples love these suites because they're romantic and private, and in St. Lucia, I just don't think you can find a more beautiful setting. Of the 3 Sandals resorts in St. Lucia, Sandals Grande St Lucian is going to be the best for water activities. Not only are you able to do the most water sports right off the resort, but if you want to do any water sports like scuba or snorkeling that are going to be away from the resort, they'll pick you up right on the beach from this resort, as compared to the other 2 Sandals resorts where they will have to transport you a little bit further. One thing we've noticed about this resort as compared to other resorts is that we noticed this one has a little bit more of a party vibe. So that means that they have some jamming music over at the main pool, but also the entertainment at night has actually been really impressive. So there's a lot to do here, but there's also some quiet corners if you want to have some peace and quiet to yourself. Now let's talk getting to and from the resort. All Sandals resorts in St. Lucia are on the opposite side of the island from the airport. Sandals provides free shuttle service, but if you're sensitive to motion sickness, you may not love the hour and a half drive on those long, windy volcanic roads. Dan and I are both sensitive to motion sickness, so instead of taking the drive, Dan and I took a boat ride around the island, which was stunning. It took about 90 minutes and was about $140 per person. They picked us up from the airport with our bags and shuttled us to the dock, and then we got on the boat and they offered us food and drinks. While we were on the boat, we had the best time. They had great music, and St. Lucia is stunning. We even had some dolphins escort us along the way. After docking the boat, we then took a short shuttle service to the resort. Okay, it is a little motion sickness-y at this point. So, chilling out in the cabin. At the end of our time in St. Lucia, we took a helicopter ride back to the airport. The helicopter ride took about 12 minutes total, and we got to see a lovely, gorgeous overhead view of St. Lucia. This was so much fun and definitely the best option for the motion sickness sensitive person. This helicopter ride was about $200 a person. All right, so that was all about Sandals Grande St Lucian in St. Lucia. If you have any questions, again, check the links in the description below, and we're gonna have more information there along with some links to some deals and sales. And by clicking on those links, that does help support our channel, so thank you so much. You can also follow along with us on Instagram at HoneymoonAlways, and we'll catch you at the next stop.